The Char-Broil Pro Series 3-burner grill is a versatile appliance that allows you to easily switch between grilling, griddling, and charcoal cooking, making it perfect for adventurous backyard chefs. With its liquid propane fuel system, the grill heats up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in under 10 minutes, ensuring quick and efficient cooking with even heat distribution. The heavy-duty, 274 square inch griddle surface provides even heat and features a rear slot for grease management, enhancing cooking performance and cleanliness. Char-Broil's Amplifire cooking system ensures juicier food by preventing flare-ups and eliminating guesswork, making it ideal for both novice and experienced grillers. Offering 412 square inches of primary cooking space, this grill can handle up to 25 burgers at once, plus a warming rack for additional indirect cooking options. Featuring oversized side shelves and durable wheels, this grill offers convenient storage and mobility, making it a practical choice for any outdoor cooking enthusiast.